Hi, this is Gabe Braveheart, an arborist community expert. In this video, we'll be covering the rigging wrench. First, to fix the rigging wrench to the tree with some sort of sling. Here I'm using an ultra sling. Then we're gonna put the rigging wrench on the rope, or the rope on the rigging wrench. It's important to make sure that the rigging wrench is facing down, as it is in this picture. The rigging wrench is completely free in one direction and adds friction in the other. So it's important to tie a stopper knot to keep the rope from running back up through the device. The rigging wrench is useful for tip tying and pulling pieces in a direction that you desire. You must make sure that the weight of the piece doesn't exceed around 100 pounds. Otherwise, ground control will have a hard time keeping it in the air. It also needs to be heavy enough so that it goes down. The wrench can stop the piece from going down very easily if it's too light. Okay, hold it there. I'll kick it. Alright, now let it down. Okay, you can't let it down. I just have my hand on it and it's helping. How about now?